Hey, my name is Brian Hendrickson. I'm going to walk you through the installation for Social Web, an open source feed reader that you can install on Amazon free tier. We'll do three things. We'll go on to Amazon AWS Marketplace and create a free tier web app, and then we'll log into it, create an account, and finally we'll open up the mobile app from the App Store and show you how to connect that up to your installation. I'm going to go over here to Amazon and just going to search. Actually, you can just Google for AWS Marketplace. Click on the Marketplace. You'll need an account, and then you can search for Social Web. And this is free to get started with, so click for a subscription. Click Continue to Configuration. Choose Cloud Formation Template. And the latest version is 1.3.29. Click a region and click Continue to Launch. And then click Launch. Scroll down, click Next. You can put in a name for your stack, something like Social Web. On VPC, choose the first item, the only item. And on subnet, any item will do. And for this IP address range, you can copy the example here, 0.0.0.0/0, and paste it. And finally, you're going to put in your domain name, demo-install. You can use a subdomain or domain name that you have. Click Next and scroll down, and then check this box to acknowledge, and click Next. Scroll to the bottom and click Submit. All right, now your AWS free tier server is being created. So I'm going to quickly switch over to the mobile app here, see if I can show you a little bit about what the app looks like. Feed of the feed aggregator app. If I click on the logo at top left, the sidebar opens up with some menu items. The sources allows me to choose different RSS feed sources, and the muted words allows me to choose words to add that I don't want to have in my feed. And the stacks is for creating collections of RSS feeds and sharing them with friends. So those are the main features of the mobile app. You can see down at the bottom there is a news tab and a spaces tab. So this is where I can connect with the group chats that I create on my own server, and those are powered through the RSS feeds. So I can tell if I go up to the sources, I can see I have a feed subscription to bbs.socialweb.cloud, which is showing up in my spaces tab down at the bottom. Go in here and I can ask questions to the team about the Social Web app. All right, let's switch back to the computer and see if our server is done being created. I can click this reload button in the middle. It says it's there we go. It says here in the middle now, create complete. So what I can do now is on the right side, I'm going to go and find this Outputs tab. And inside there is the new IP address. So I'm going to select it and copy it. I'm going to go add that domain name here. We'll call it demo-install and paste this IP address. Okay. Now, when I go back to my Outputs tab, if I scroll down, there is a command here to set up the SSL certificate. So I need to copy that. It starts with a /home and it ends with .sh. Copy that. And then what we want to do is we want to go find our web server instance. Probably the easiest thing to do is to click on this Resources tab next to the Outputs tab. And then on Web Server Instance, click the link. Now click to refresh this list. on the little circle. And now here's my web server instance. So I'm going to check this box, and I'm going to click this connect link up at the top. Scroll down, and down at the bottom right, click connect. I'm almost done here. And I'm going to click on the background before I paste to get the cursor. Click paste and hit return. And this didn't work the first time, so I'm going to try it again. I'm going to paste, hit return. Okay, that looks good. So I'm going to switch back to my phone again here. And we're going to try to browse to demo-install.socialweb.cloud. And here's our newly installed installation. I'm going to click sign up to create an account. Click sign up, and now I've got a installed copy of this feed reader and account on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the, well, first of all, I'm going to reload this page because I want to make sure that this copy script works. And then I'm going to go up to the top right menu and click copy feed link. I've had some issues with it not copying to the clipboard, so that's why I reloaded the web page. And then I'm going to go to the bottom and I'm going to click on this little pen icon to create a group chat with a friend in it. Click on the pen, put my friend's email, and my friend's going to receive a link that he can see this group chat. Okay, now I've got a group chat and I've copied my feed link to the clipboard. So now I can go to the mobile app here. I'm just going to click open. And when I go to the menu at the top left, I'm going to click on sources. I'm going to try to paste. Hopefully this will work. And hit search on the keyboard. And you can see now I've got messages from demo-install.socialweb.cloud. So if I close this, go over to my Spaces tab on the bottom and pull down to refresh. And I can see this group chat that I created in addition to the one that was included. Click on that and I can see my friend's message. And this uses WebSockets and RSS Cloud to create a connection between my server and my friend's server. So if he types a message, I'll see it pop in. Thanks for watching my demo.